Hey there, friends. So I am back. I hope you're enjoying this evening. So I just wanted to go ahead and we're going to share with you tonight a little bit about how to expose someone to essential rewards as soon as they're enrolling with their kit. And Young Living recently made this so amazing. I'm really excited for it. At first, I was a little hesitant on how to do it, but after I did it a few times and I've had some pretty good success so far, I really think that this is what's working for me. I would love to hear your ideas, but people can now, once they enroll with their premium starter kit, there is the option to enroll in essential rewards right away. And why is that so important? It's important to take advantage of that right away because they're gonna get so much free stuff, and don't skip right over all of that section because you're a little bit hurried. You don't want them, they're not going to change their mind is what I'm trying to say. They're already enrolling, so why not inform them of all the free stuff that they could potentially be getting? So here's what I do. So if I'm teaching an in-person class, I have one of these set up by the computer for when it's time to enroll. And what is on here, I don't know if you guys can see this. So this is actually for the April promos. So what is free at 100 PV in April if it's an ER order? A free tangerine, right? Awesome. So at the time of enrollment, when they purchase their PSK, they have to, Essential Rewards, as we all know, is a minimum 50 PV order. But the cool thing about when they enroll in Essential Rewards, when they purchase their kit, is that the 100 PV from the kit is going to go towards their very first ER order. And that will never happen again. So why is this so great for new people? Because they're automatically, if they enroll in Essential Rewards, even with a 50 PV order, they're automatically going to get that free tangerine. So 50 PV is like a Thieves household cleaner, a hand soap, a toothpaste, and a hand purifier. And I love this layout because you're actually showing them 3 months of healthy home swaps that they can do. Plus, for all 3 months, they're gonna get 10% back in points. And for that first ER order, that 100 PV goes towards their 10% back in points. So if they place a 50 PV order, they're gaining that with the 100 PV from the starter kit. So technically, their first ER order is going to be 150 PV. So they're going to grab their starter kit. They're going to grab the 100 PV promo for the month, which in April is tangerine. Just as an example, if they do this route with this first example here, it's all the cleaner, the soap. They're already starting to swap out goodies and experience the Thieves line. So they're getting all that free stuff and they're experiencing all this great stuff and making those healthy swaps and learning a little bit more about how to do that. So I love explaining that to them. So let's think about it this way too, real quick. So they're spending their 100 PV for their kit, that's the starter kit, plus they're enrolling in Essential Rewards. They're grabbing that free tangerine plus whatever they want. Because remember, they can do a custom order now. They can pick out whatever products they want that order 50 PV. Maybe they want other oils. Maybe they don't want Thieves stuff. They just want, shampoos and soaps. Ask what they're interested in. What do they want to swap out first? Are they more interested in the oils maybe? So really just ask them and see and have them try it out. I just think the Thieves line is a great way to really just start ditching those toxins in their home right away. And by doing the cleaner and the laundry detergent, those two are just getting rid of so many toxins. So say they do a 50 PV order with whatever they want on top of their 100 PV, they're already at 150 PV for that. So remind them, if they do 190 PV, they're going to reach all of those promos too and grab that. So that's only $40 more to grab all the 190 PV tier promos. So you can explain to them the 250 and the 300 at that too. But basically their kit's giving them a free 100 PV towards their first ER. So they're already getting, if they're on ER, they're going to get that 10 additional points right away off the PSK, which we all know you can't use the premium starter kits on your ER after that. So it's a great chance to really grab some awesome freebies. So I like to do it this way. I like to use this as an example. If you're doing like a one-on-one, you could just have little cards of this printed out, or you could come up with your own 50 PV examples. I just really think the healthy home swaps is so fun. So I like to just say, why don't you just try it for 3 months? If you try it for 3 months, the worst that's going to happen is you're going to get what? the PSK plus 50 PV is 15 points. If they do 50 PV orders for the next 2 months, that's 5 points. So 15, 20, 25 if they're doing the minimum 50 PV. So if that's all they're doing, they're getting at least 25 points, right? Plus they're getting the 100 PV free oil. If they go up to that 190, they're gonna get all that free stuff. And what's really there to lose? Try it for 3 months, see if you like it, and if you don't, then you can cancel if you decide to, but I'm pretty sure most people are gonna love all those free points. So this is a great example on showing them how to swap out. And again, you can do any of the examples. You could do your own if you want, and there's a lot more that you can find online too. So the healthy home swaps is so fun though, because then month 2, you could have them, as an example, do laundry soap, dish soap, and a Thieves spray. That equals 5150 PV. Month 3 is the fruit and veggie soak, the Thieves cough drop, and the mouthwash, all over the Thieves line. Or maybe you could come up with something else with them, doing like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash one month, maybe laundry detergent and dish soap the next month, or maybe, and so on. There are so many ways you could do this, but the healthy home swaps is awesome because sometimes people forget about some of this stuff because they're just so accustomed to using what they already have. So that is really how I explain to people how much free stuff you can grab right away from being on Essential Rewards. And if you're really serious about ditching toxins, why not just go for it? You're getting your premium starter kit. Why not grab all the freebies at the same time and see how you like it? And it's so easy to come up with 50 PV. And really, guys, if they're using their oils and they know how to use them, which is what you should be showing them to do, by the end of month 1, I know for me, I was already out of Thieves and lavender. So even month 2 could be a 15 milliliter of Thieves and lavender together, because that's right around like the 50, probably 55 PV, I think. So there are so many uses. It's awesome. Just don't be afraid to really show them, because you don't want them to miss out on all that free stuff if that's what they want. So go ahead, show them when they're enrolling. Make sure it's known that if they, take the opportunity to enroll in ER right away, they're getting all those extras, because that 100 PV from their starter kit's going to go right towards that. Plus, they can still pick from the already established Essential Rewards kits. Those are still available. So a lot of those are awesome too, especially the Ninja Red one. The Thieves one is great too. So I hope this helps you. Just quick do, it's so easy to make something like this, or just print out little cards with a bunch of examples to show them. I think it's just great. The visual for a lot of people, showing them what they can swap, is so great. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you all have a great night and happy ER enrolling.